Namaste student, myself Dr. Surajakar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about exercise number 8, identification and nature of damage of important insect pests. Then first is rice pest. Rice is major pest is rice stem borer. Mark of identification: mouth female yellowish brown, male pale yellow with a pointed head. A prominent black spot present on each of the four wings of the females, absent in males. Tuft in the anal hair, present in female caterpillar, yellowish white with a dark brown head and prothoracic shield. Then nature of damage: newly hatched larvae move on leaf blade for 1 to 2 hours, and the latter reaches the leaf sheath and the bore into the stem near the nodal region at ground level. Larval feeding inside the stem results in the formulation of dead heart or white hair during vegetative and reproductive stage respectively, and they can easily pulled out. Then second is gallmice, scientific name Ocelia origi, family Cecilomyidi, and order is Diptera. The mark of identification: adult dipteran fly with long slender legs, female is bright red, white male is darker in color, caterpillar pale red, adopus tapering anteriorly. Then nature of symptoms of damage: newly hatched maggot move down to the shoot apex and the feeds on the growing point. It results in the stimulation of the leaf sheath to form a hollow pale green cylindrical tube similar to onion leaf. It is known as gall, onion leaf, silver shoot. Affected tillers do not wear panicles. Infestation in early growth period of crop induce vigorous subsequently tillering. Then third is brown plant open, Nilapurata lugens, family is Delphicidae, order Hemiptera. Mark of identification: adult brown or brownish black, and nymph is pale white with brownish tingles. Then nature of damage: both nymph and adults suck shape from the base of the plant, exude shape drying from the plant, resulting in yellowish of leaf initially, and in course of the time whole plants die. Dying of plants occurs in the isolated patch and gradually in a circular pattern exhibiting hopper burn symptoms. Then second was sorghum, maize, and other millets, major important insects. First is sorghum shoot fly, Etheriona soccata, family is Muscidae, order is Diptera. Then mark identification: adult is dark gray in color and looks like a small housefly. Abdominal segments of male and female bears 8 and 4 dark spots respectively, arranged in two rows. Maggot pale yellow apodus and tapering at one end. And nature of damage is newly hatched maggots migrate to the upper surface of leaf, moves along the marginal towards leaf sheath on entering between the leaf sheath and axis. It nibbles the tissue and makes an horizontal cut. Young seedling dry and exhibiting the dead heart symptoms. The second pest is millet sorghum stem borer. Scientific name Chilopatellus, family is Pyralidae, and order is Lepidoptera. Then mark of identification: adult star colored with pale yellow gray, forewings with black specks along caudal margin. In male, hind wings are pale star colors, and in female, hyaline caterpillar dirty white with brown head having many dark spots of the body. Nature of damage: initially larvae feed on the leaf causing shoot holes. Later larvae bore into the stem and cause dead heart. As such young plant can be easily pulled out. They do not emit a fuel smell. Then sorghum earhead bug. Sorghum earhead scientific name Calocorchis angustiatus, family Miridae, Otis hemiptera. Mark of identification adult yellowish green and long legged. Nymph is a first star nymph, tiny with a mixture of yellow and orange red color. Nature of damage. Nature of both nymph and adults shape from the developing grains become severed and discolored. Then other crops is sugarcane. Most important pest is early shoot borer, Chilo infus catalus, family is Pyralidae, or is Lepidoptera. The mark of identification. Adult is a small grayish brown straw colored with labial pulpy projected forward, a row of white dots present along the outer margin of forewings. Caterpillar white with the five violet strips dorsally and dorsoventrally on its body, and with a dark brown head. Nature of damage. Larvae at first feed on leaf epidermis and then enter the stem by making a hole just above ground level. It results in a discussion of both growing points and central wall, forming a characteristic dead heart. Dead heart associated with fuel smell. Then top shoot pora इसको Scyphopeca nivella, Paralidae, Lepidoptera. Mark of identification adult creamy white, slightly bigger than early shoot borer, a top of crimson colored hair present at the tip of abdomen of female and black spot on forewing for male caterpillar and pale white in color. Nature of damage. Pest attack confined mainly the top portion of the shoot. Caterpillar pest tunnel into the midrib of the leaf and form a red marking. Later is tunnels toward the central core of leaves and enters the shoot. As a result, number of small holes, short holes, can be seen subsequently on central leaf. This feed on the growing point resulting in drying up for the central wall for uncured, and destruction of the growing point resulting in the activation of side buds just below the growing point and produce a bunch of the side shoots called bunchy top. Note the low humidity is favorable for this pest. Then millibug. Millibug scientific name Secaricoccus secari, family Pseudococcidae. Otis hemiptera. The mark of identification. Adult small pinkish oval insect attached to lower nodes under the leaf sheath and covered by the white waxy powder. Female are like with curly segmented body. Males are the winged but rarer. And the natural damage. Both nymph and adults suck shape from the canes near the leaf sheath. While feeding, they exert honeydew on the affected portion. It helps in the development of sooty mold. As a result, internodes turn black due to heavy draining of shape. Plants lose vigor and they become stunted in growth. Then pulsage. Pulsage first is important pest is red gram podfly, scientific name Melandgrammesia augusta, family is Agomyzidae, order is Diptera. Mark of identification adult is small melodic black fly with strong legs and ovate abdomen, wings clear vineyard and brownish yellow at the base. yellow at the base and maggot creamy white in color. Then nature of damage, maggot speed under the epidermis of sometimes then enter the seed and consume only part of a seed. Only one seed is sufficient for the maggot to complete development. Then affected seed gets discolored due to bacterial and fungus infection and become unfit for consumption. Then gram caterpillar, scientific name Helicoverpa admira, family Nucleotidae, order is Lepidoptera. They mark of identification adult a stout, medium size, moth with a dark gray brown forewings, having a dark cross band near the outer margin and dark spot near coastal margin. Caterpillar is a greenish with dark broken lines toward the lateral sides of the body. Body segmentation is the distinct covered with the fine hairs. And natural blooming caterpillar feed on the leaves, flowers and buds. Breaks of the damaged flowers, buds spread out the curl downward. Then tobacco caterpillar Spodoptera litura. Family is Nucleotidae. What is Lepidoptera? They mark by identification. Adult medium size moth with stout body, forewings pale gray to dark brown in color, with wavy white markings and hind wings white with smoky margins. The caterpillar velvety black with yellowish green dorsal strips and lateral white bands. A dark ring like structure is seen on the anterior and posterior region of the early stage. The mark the nature of damage during early instar caterpillar escape chlorophyll content of the leaf lamina, giving in a purpley white appearance. During later instar sclerotize the leaves, leaving only veins and petioles. During flowering stage of the crops fed on the internal contents of the pod and cause irregular holes. Then groundnut. Groundnut major important pest is polyphagous pest is white grub, Holotrachea consanguinea, family is Iscavedi, order is Coleoptera. Then mark of identification, adult and medium sized beetle with light yellowish brownish elytra, grub white with a brown head. Nature of them gus dower secondary feeder roots having the supporting root only. Leaves of the affected plants turn pale, droop down and ultimately wither off. Cut end of the affected stem and collapsed plant swells as a characteristic diagnosis symptoms. Dying of a plant in a patch. Another is a red hairy caterpillar. Scientific name Amsacta albicistриca, or family is Archaetidae, or is Lepidoptera. The mark of identification, adult medium size in an forewing white with a brownish spot all over the yellowish streak along the coastal anterior margin, yellow and present on the head. In a red caterpillar, the anterior margin streak on forewing and band on head in the red in color. Caterpillar both species are the reddish brown with the black bands on either and the beard long on the reddish brown hair arising of the white of all over the body. Nature of damage, during early stage caterpillar feed is groups in the lower side of the leaflets. As they grow, they feed voraciously on leaves, leaving behind the petioles and meeting on the main stem. They cannot be seen moving from one end to field other. Then pest is a brinjal, shoot and fruit borer. Leucinodes orbonalis, family is Parilidae, order is Lepidoptera. Mark of identification, adult white moth with pink brown marking on white wings and blackish brown head and thorax. Caterpillar pinkish and sparingly distributed hair rising on warts all over the body. Then nature of damage, If infestation occurs during vegetative phase, caterpillar enter into the petiole, midribs, and young shoots. As a result, the infested shoot wilts and droops. During fruiting stage, caterpillar enter into the fruits, make hole and feed inside. Initially, the entry holes in so small that is not visible. Later, fruits bear large circular holes plugged with cresta. Brinjal stem borer, mealybug, and gooseberry diamond moth. Plutella, Jalostella, family is Pluteridae, order is Lepidoptera. The mark of identification: adult is small greenish brown with a narrow forewings, having pale white marking at anal region, which which form a diamond-like patch when the folded caterpillar is small greenish with a short hair on the body, which taper toward both of the end. The mark nature of damage: caterpillar feed on the lower side of the leaves and bite holes on the leaf. Affected leaves present with appearance. In several cases, leaves are skeletonized. The pumpkin beetle. Another pest is a pumpkin beetle, cabbage leaf weaver, snake guard, semilooper. The mango leaf hopper, mango tree borer, mango stone weevil, mango leaf weaver, and cashew tree borer. Cashew tree borer is a mark of identification: adult, medium size, dark brown, longicorn beetle, grubs, creamy white, robust, and fleshy. Nature of damage: newly hatched grubs feed on the subepidermal and soft wood tissue below the bark, and gradually they bore into the stem and root. Bore holes are plugged with the chewed fiber, etc. Then banana rhizome weevil. Banana rhizome weevil is a mark of identification: adult, medium, dark brown, ridge draw out mouth parts, 1/2, 1/2. Long elytra do not cover the abdomen completely. Caterpillar dwarfs with the red head and powerful mandibles. Grubs is a tunnel through shadowy stem and rhizomes, making circular hole which increases in size with the growth of grubs. Tunnel up to 2 to 3 in stem and 6 to 10 grubs in stem. Then another is a coconut rhinoceros beetle, red palm weevil, and then this is a important insect pest of crops and vegetable and fruits and plantation crops. Then this is completing the exercise of identification and nature of damage for important insect pest. And thank you.